Hi, today we are going to an adventure. This is my second day of using this VinFast Limo Green, and quite a surprise actually that hindi pa ako discharged for the second day despite of traveling around 180 kilometers, almost 200 kilometers yesterday, and I still got 297 kilometers on my range, about 66% on my battery. So today we are going to an adventure. We are going to do Visita Iglesia. But first, susunduin muna natin ang mga tropa natin sa Alicia para may kasama tayong magbisita Iglesia. We are looking for at least 7 churches to visit. Of course, being a Christian, Visita Iglesia is a very vital activity wherein we going to appreciate Jesus' sacrifices, and of course to appreciate also the architecture of the churches, paying tribute to the design and the architecture, the infrastructure of this house of worship. I have 297 kilometer on my range, 66% on my battery. I hope we can visit this churches, 7 churches. We are looking at around at another 200-kilometer range. And I hope that makakabalik pa ako ng Santiago after doing this adventure with this new VinFast Limo Green. First stop here in Alicia Isabela, here in our house in Mabini, Alicia Isabela. And just a status check on my battery after traveling at around 28 kilometers from Santiago. My battery level dropped from 66% to 55%. From a range of 297, I only got a range now of 247. It doesn't help the fact that meron akong hinabol na Hilux kanina, and I was able to test the power of this VinFast Limo, and this Limo has a power of an equivalent of 201 horsepower, and malakas din talaga siya. That's the reason why I ended I ended up consuming much of my battery. Pero it's still good. I think we can still make it. I still have 247 kilometer and 55% of my battery, and we're just starting. So just keep watching, guys. All right, so kompleto na ang barkada. Here's Clearance and Emerson and our guest from Hawaii,
Hi guys, welcome to my vlogs.
Eddie the Boy Jr. So we're going to have our Visita Iglesia today, and we'll be visiting 7 churches.
And
Seven
we're on
churches.
board VinPass.
Limo Green.
Dilpat.
VinFast Limo Green.
We're the model.
Okay, so
We're here to promote the unit.
Yes. Salamat.
all right, first stop,
Our very own,
the
Church of Our Lady of Atocha,
correct.
Alicia Isabela.
Oh, this is the church.
The Our Lady of Atocha Parish of Alicia Isabella. Originally built by the Spaniards in 18th century and finished by Father Tomas Calderon in 1849, the church was dedicated to the Nuestra Senora de Atocha. The church is known for its antique Castilian architectural design and can be found along Maharlika Highway and is accessible by land transport.
For our first stop, status check lang. 51% battery and 229 range. Medyo makonsumo lang tayo konti sa battery kasi siguro dahil ang aircon natin is medyo malakas at alright, welcome. Second stop. Welcome to Our Lady of Pilar here in Kawayan City. This is the second church. Status check from 233 range naging 206 na lang, down to 46% battery level. So this is the Our Lady of Pilar. So magpicture lang din tayo. Yan siya. Very pristine pa rin.
Dito sa
The Our Lady of the Pilar Parish Church of Kawayan City is a historic Catholic church founded in 1741 by Dominican missionaries. As one of the oldest churches in the region, it serves as a major religious and cultural center, often called the Kawayan Church.
Alright, third stop. It's the Our Lady of Visitation here in Kawayan. Actually, it's a I don't know if parang seminaryo yata ito. And battery status 44%, 198 kilometer range. This is our third stop.
The Our Lady of the Visitacion Seminary is a key religious institution in Kawayan City, Isabela, under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Ilagan. It is closely linked to the local diocese of religious history, including the National Shrine of Our Lady of the Visitacion of Gibang. It serves as a house of formation for men discerning the priesthood.
For our lunch, status lang, we have 43% battery and 193 kilometer range. Mag-lunch lang kami. Dito sa mesa, dito sa Rai Atrium. Kain muna kami. Sinigang na salmon, kare-kare, pinaupong manok. Our lunch for today.
Hybrid na sa Bautista.
Okay, next to our next stop, Gamu. Okay, another stop here in Hotel Andrea. We'll be getting our coffee first before heading back to our journey. Coffee stop here at the Coffee Bean. Ano ba to?
Hotel Andrea.
Here at Hotel Andrea. Okay, so we're heading to Gamu to visit 3 churches there. Yes, the Visitacion, Gibang Shrine,
and
the
my favorite,
the
Santa Rosa del Lima.
yes, and the other one, the Poor Clare Monastery. So far guys, what can you say about riding inside the Limo Green VinFast?
Superb.
really
Excellent.
nice. The AC is cold,
The AC is cold, right?
even though in the middle of the sun.
Especially when Emson will talk.
Battery update, 43%, 193 kilometers range. Hindi siya ganoon ka-accurate ngayon kasi the setting of the aircon is very high. It consumes much of the battery. Mainit kasi nasa ano tayo nasa mainit medyo tanghaling tapat.
Nasa radio to.
So, we're going to Gamo. Approximately how many kilometers no runs?
40.
40 and then so
Ay, wala. 25 lang.
So,
40, kwinenta ko na manipod nila yun eh.
Manipod nila.
Kinento mo na pala yung
Oo.
parang nandun sa Nela.
So,
Ay, manipod dun.
let's enjoy.
Nasa Kaway na tayo 15 na yun.
I-minus mo na lang yung 15 nga rin doon
Okay, later again, guys.
25 na lang yun.
All right, approaching Gibang Shrine, Our Lady of Visitation. Battery check, 38%, 171 kilometers. Yan na, Gibang. Oh, marami pa rin tao. Oh, may VinFast din doon. So, paano tayo mag-picture nito? Dito na.
Sa kapila.
Mag-picture din tayo dito.
You know, sa Abay,
Our Lady of Gibang, Nuestra Señora de la Visitación de Gibang, is a highly venerated 20th century Roman Catholic icon of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Enshrined in Gamo, Isabela, she is affectionately called the Queen of Isabela Province.
Okay. Next stop, magkalapit lang. Poor Clare Monastery. Actually, this is one of my favorite
lago ni Daboy nga basit ni din eh. Wala na cute. It's a bouncing baby boy.
St. Clare Monastery.
Jesuit siya to JHS.
Beside that Toyota Rush.
The Poor Clare Monastery in Gamo, Isabela is a Roman Catholic church and convent dedicated to Saint Clare of Assisi. The monastery was founded in 1991 by Poor Clare nuns who originally came from Cabuyao, Laguna.
Alright, status check on our pang-ilan na church na to? Pang-6? Battery check, 36%, 161 range. Oops! Santa Rosa de Lima Church.
The Santa Rosa de Lima Parish Church is a historic Roman Catholic church located in Gamo, Isabela. It was constructed around 1750 by Father Martin Fernandez. The church is built in the Baroque style, featuring a distinctive brick facade with pointed towers and a Spanish-era convent that remains the only intact one in the Diocese of Ilagan. In 2019, the National Museum of the Philippines declared it as a national cultural treasure due to its historical and architectural value.
We are leaving Santa Rosa de Lima with a battery range of 161 kilometer and 36%. Next stop, St. Michael of Ilagan.
Michael the Parish.
Alright, for our last church, battery check, 36.
St. Ferdinand din?
St. Michael Cathedral here in Ilagan. I do not know if open na yung St. Ferdinand kasi di ba nasunog? But for now, dito muna tayo.
Sunod pa lang si
Dito pagkakaiba da?
Cathedral.
This is Cathedral of St. Michael. Wow. Oh, what is that? Oh, so big, oh. That's what she said.
The Cathedral of St. Michael the Archangel serves as the seat of Roman Catholic Diocese of Ilagan. It was established as the seat of diocese in 2003, making it as the most recent, most modern cathedral in Isabela, being one of the largest and biggest cathedral in Region 2.
Okay, leaving St. Michael with a battery range of 153
Okay,
kilometers. Okay, we just finished visiting 7 churches for our Visita Iglesia special adventure with our barkada, of course, Manong Rans, Emerson, and our visitor from Hawaii,
USA.
USA. So, how it feels to visit the 7 churches ng Rans?
But I admire Michelangelo. He painted 16 chapels.
So many? 16 chapel, ha? 16 chapel.
16 pala.
On this serious side note, yeah, it's nice to visit at least 7 churches.
Historical churches.
Historical churches, just appreciating the architecture, the design,
The people
I
around.
realize we visited
the
7
culture,
churches.
of course, the culture, the Filipino culture of visiting 7th Station of the Cross.
And of course, we heard some sermons.
Sermon at the Mount.
It's really good. It's really
So,
I like the way Father expounded the text about what shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world yet loses his own soul.
so
Favorite text ko.
we visited 7 churches. That is possible with this car, the VinFast Limo Green. And status update, 29% battery and 130 kilometer range. Ayun, about how many kilometers pa pauwi?
80.
80 kilometers. So, I believe naman na makakauwi pa tayo ng Santiago. So, thank you for joining us in our adventure, Visita Iglesia 2026.
On board.
It's
Possible
really- it's
in
possible.
in a VinFast
Fully.
Limo Green with a kilometer range of 450 full charge and
IAC.
full capacity. I mean, ano pa siya, naka-full pa yung aircon natin. And thank you.
And
Thank
with
you.
a payload of about
2 tons.
2 tons.
Thank you for joining us. Till next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks to the very capable VinFast Limo Green, our barkada was able to visit 7 churches covering an approximately 130 kilometers. With its huge capacity battery, the VinFast Limo Green carried us safely in our route, making us all enjoy our Visita Iglesia, with stops for our lunch and coffee. The VinFast Limo Green did not only provide us comfort with its 7-seater configuration space, it also provided us a very powerful propulsion that is very practical, affordable, and very economical option. In this trip, the VinFast Limo Green never disappoints us, and it was perfect in such trip like this. No matter who you bring, friends, family, colleagues, all will be comfortably fine with its cold air condition and ample space. I'm glad I brought the VinFast Limo Green with me in this trip. See you again next time and stay tuned for the full review and experience of this very affordable and practical MPV from VinFast. Till next time!